Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope you guys are all doing well. I think I'm going to start the video off a little different tonight. I've got to send out some shout outs to some very nice people. Matt from the Lock Pit. Thank you, Matt, for your support. It's greatly appreciated. Jim from Lockpicking Belfast. Boy Bilba 81. A UK Lockpicker. Gordon W., Cameron Dunn, Wine Scrounger, and Leon's Lockpad, man. Thanks for your support today. It means a lot. Just starting out, and hopefully I can provide some content for you guys, and I enjoy all your videos, so let's keep it going. Gonna start with this one today. I've got another Cisa here. It's a 60mm padlock. I guess you could say the brother of the marine one I did last video. This one's model 22010, 60mm. This one's the brass variant of that one with the stainless steel, hardened steel shackle. And I do have a working key. Beautiful padlock. Not shimmable. Couldn't get the shims in there to open this baby up. So I'm going to give it a shot. And here we go, guys. You know what? I'm going to put a broken Mad Bob's. Gonna put that in the top here and see if I can get into this, if this guy wants to sit in there. Doesn't look like it. Okay, I guess not. Let's go with bottom of the keyway, boys. Sorry, everything's a mess. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to use my sparrows. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see what we can do. Big click out of 5. One out of 3. Just lost my position on my tensioner there. Click out of 2. Some movement on the core. Nothing on 5. Slight click out of 4. Got a little bit of a fault set. I touched 3 and I've gone just a little bit deeper. And lost my fault set there after I touched 2. So let's see here what's going on. Well, 5 is binding tight. Just gonna let off a little bit. I don't lost that full set again after 5. back into that fault set. 3. I'm just going to switch a little bit here to a deeper hook from Peterson. I suspect. That's fairly deep, that fault set. Got nothing on 1. Slight click at a 2 still. Okay, we got counter rotation here on 3. I'm going to hold this position here with the pick if I can. I want to adjust my tensioner. And I'm going to have to make a change. Hopefully I don't lose that. Sorry about that, guys. Just didn't like the way that tensioner was sitting in there. Hopefully the odds are good I don't break another pick here today. So I'm getting counter rotation still here on 2 and trying to get them to set. So 2 is set. 1 is set. So who's holding this up? There we go, guys. Wow. Man, I have a hard time with these. So there was my binder hidden there, number 1, guys. That's it for the Cisa 2210 60 millimeter. I do have the key there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Jeez, a horrible lighting. There we go. I guess you could just figure out that's where I was having my problem right there. But beautiful lock, works smooth. There you go, guys. Cisa brass padlock. I want to thank you guys again for all your support, man. Keep the comments and the suggestions coming, man. I mean, I'm new out here and I'm trying to soak up everybody's knowledge, and together we can make some good videos and enjoy this. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.